Hey there, tech enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest tech gadgets to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at the Lian Li Galahad II 360 LCD AIO cooler.
A powerhouse of cooling technology designed to tame even the hottest CPUs on the market. Let's dive in.
Host voiceover. Lian Li is renowned for its premium PC components, and the Galahad II 360 LCD AIO cooler is no exception. With its sleek design and impressive cooling performance, it's a standout in the crowded AIO cooler market. So, what sets the Galahad II 360 LCD apart from the competition?
Well, let's start with its cooling prowess.
Equipped with a 360mm radiator and three 120mm fans, this cooler is a beast when it comes to dissipating heat. Whether you're pushing your CPU to the limits with intense gaming sessions or tackling demanding workloads, the Galahad II 360 LCD has got you covered.
Host voiceover. But what sets this cooler apart is its stunning 2.88-inch IPS LCD.
This vibrant screen not only adds a touch of flair to your PC build but also provides real-time temperature and performance data, allowing you to keep a close eye on your system at all times.
And speaking of customization, the Lian Li L Connect 3 software suite gives you full control over the cooler's settings.
From adjusting fan speeds to fine-tuning RGB lighting effects, you can tailor the Galahad II 360 LCD to suit your preferences with ease.
Now, let's talk about what's included in the box. Along with the cooler itself, you'll find everything you need for easy installation,
including mounting hardware for both Intel and AMD platforms, pre-applied thermal paste, and cable management ties.
Host voiceover. It's worth noting that Lian Li offers two versions of the Galahad II 360 LCD.
The standard model and the SLINF model include fancy infinity mirror fans.
While both versions offer stellar performance, the SLINF model adds an extra touch of visual flair to your build.
So, to sum it up, the Lian Li Galahad II 360 LCD AIO cooler is a top-of-the-line cooling solution that delivers exceptional performance and stunning aesthetics. However, with its premium features comes a premium price tag. But if you're serious about keeping your CPU cool under pressure, it's worth the investment. And that's a wrap on our review of the Lian Li Galahad II 360 LCD AIO cooler. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.